Good day everyone, my name is Eric Oli Despina, a fourth-year student of West Visayas State University Lambuno Campus taking a course of BS Information Communication Technology. And I'm here to share my unforgettable experience from educational tour. First, to our School of ICT Director, Dr. Mabel Satonero, his visionary leadership upon me, once-in-a-lifetime, unforgettable opportunity. Dr. Satonero, your unwavering belief in the potential of every student has laid foundation upon each dreams are built, and for that I extend my deepest appreciation. As I must acknowledge and extend my special appreciation to Mr. Billy Joe Lopera, whose kindness and unwavering support have been guiding light throughout the transformative journey. I would be remiss if I didn't extend my heartfelt gratitude to my sister, brother, and family member and friends whose unwavering support and financial assistance made my educational trip possible. Your belief in my educational dreams has been unwavering. Your investment in my future is not measured by solely monetary terms, but serve a testament of boundless power of love and encouragement. Each one of you has contributed to the masterpiece that is my life chapter. Thank you for making this journey not just memorable but truly life-changing. The tour was an eye-opener. We explored and accent ruins, dub into a local tradition, and interactive with amazing people, truly immersing ourselves in the culture. To Top Peg Animation, PTB4, Binyan Command Communication Center, and Mapua University, I cannot begin to express my deep appreciation for warmth and wisdom you shared during our visit on November 27 to 29. The knowledge and the insight bestowed upon us during that time have not only enriched our understanding, but have also sparked the flame of inspiration with us. Your generosity has transformed what could have been a routine educational tour into a captivating and transformative adventure. Thank you for your individual contribution for our growth. I reflect on how the tour expanded this perspective, sparking curiosity, igniting a passion for learning, and fostering a deeper understanding of places and their stories. I emphasize that experience will remain etched in my memory as something truly life-changing. Thanks to this tour, I've not just seen places, I've understood their stories and experience that stay with me forever. Thank you.